Caught in the spider's web. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in English, specifically the phrase, "in the spider's web." This expression is a perfect example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey complex ideas. So, if you're ready to unravel the mysteries of this phrase and enhance your English skills, stay tuned. First off, let's break down the literal meaning. A spider's web is a net-like structure created by a spider out of its silk to catch its prey. It's intricate, delicate, and often goes unnoticed until you find yourself tangled in it. This visual can help us understand the metaphorical uses of the phrase. Moving on to the figurative sense, "in the spider's web," is used to describe a situation where someone is trapped or caught in a complex, often tricky situation from which it's difficult to escape. Just like an insect caught in a web, the person may feel helpless or controlled by external forces. Now, let's see how to use it in a sentence. Ever since he took out that loan, he's been in the spider's web of debt. Negotiating this deal feels like walking into a spider's web. It's full of hidden complications. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations, emphasizing the feeling of being ensnared. To broaden your understanding, let's explore similar expressions. Caught in a trap implies a situation where one is trapped. Tangled up refers to being involved in a complex or difficult situation. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the idea of being trapped in different ways. And that's a wrap on "in the spider's web." We hope this video has shed some light on how English idiomatic expressions can paint vivid pictures to describe complex situations. Remember, learning these expressions not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you understand the nuances of English. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!